Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook posts public. Now, I know what it's like if you create that awesome post and you want to share it with as many people as you can, and you want it to be public so anyone will be able to see it. I'm going to walk you through two different options you have to make that post public. Now, let's open up the Facebook app here. And the very first thing is I will tap on what's on your mind at the very top. Now this is creating a new post. I'm just gonna add in some gibberish here. And you can see right below my name there is friends. So I can tap on that. And this is where I can set it to public. So I can switch it over to public and change at the bottom here the default audience to being public, which means any future post will also default to public, and I can always just change it, but it'll default to that public. Now, this is if you're creating a brand new post. If you have an older post that you want to change to public, I'll walk you through how to do that as well. So let's exit out of here and then tap the profile icon at the top left. And I'm going to scroll down to one of my older posts here, and I'm going to tap the three dots right next to the post at the top right. And then you can see edit privacy. I'm going to tap on that. And here again is where I can switch it over to public and make this post public so that anyone both on Facebook and off Facebook would be able to see this post, comment on it, like it, share it, all that stuff. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.